Janelle, it's Kay.
Hi.
So, unfortunately, the lab didn't have anything to freeze.
Okay.
So, we're going to go with the two that we transferred and say they're going to work.
I really hope so.
Oh, I do too. So, we will see you next Wednesday for your blood test.
Yes.
And keep our fingers crossed that it's positive.
I've got everything crossed, so.
Okay. Good deal.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yep.
Okie doke.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
This is it. Well, that's not the news I was hoping for. Well, I guess that's what the news is, and they gotta take. They gotta stick. That's disappointing. I really hope the ones in me right now are sticking.